request everyone to switch your phones to silent mode. Good evening to one and all present here. As we come to the conclusion of the third edition of Gregorios Moot Competition 2026, it is my privilege to welcome our esteemed dignitaries, learned judges, respected faculty members, participating teams, and all guests to this valedictory ceremony. To begin this solemn and meaningful occasion, let us seek the blessings of the Almighty. I now invite Ms. Asiya Shas to lead us in the prayer. I request everyone to rise.
ഹൃദയരാഗതന്ത്രിമീട്ടി സ്നേഹഗീതമേകിയും കർമ്മഭൂമി തളിരിടുന്ന വർണ്ണമേകിയും നമ്മിൽ വാഴുമാതിനാമം ഇന്നു വാഴ്ത്തിടാം ഹൃദയരാഗതന്ത്രിമീട്ടി നമ്മൾ പാടുമീ സ്വരങ്ങൾ കീർത്തനങ്ങളാകണേ ചോടുവയ്ക്കുമീ പദങ്ങൾ നൃത്തലോലമാകണേ കുഞ്ഞു വീടിനുൾക്കളങ്ങൾ സ്വർഗമാകണേ അമ്മ നൽകുമുമ്മ പോലും അമൃതമാകണേ പൂർണ്ണമീ ചരാചരങ്ങൾ ഗുരുവരങ്ങളാകണേ ഹൃദയരാഗതന്ത്രിമീട്ടി.
Thank you. With the blessings received, we shall now proceed. I now invite Reverend Father Adarsh Kumblat, Director of Gregorios College of Law, to deliver the welcome address.
A very good evening to one and all present here. It's my proud privilege to extend a warm and respectful welcome to this August gathering on the valedictory function of our moot court competition. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our distinguished guests and eminent members of the judiciary. We are deeply honored by the presence of the Honorable Mr. Justice Ziad Rahman AA, a respected member of the judiciary known for his clarity in legal reasoning and firm commitment to the constitutional values. His Lordship's judicial career reflects a balanced approach to justice, combining legal precision with sensitivity to societal realities. His presence today in Gregorios College of Law is a great source of inspiration to all aspiring advocates gathered here. So in my heart, I welcome dear Justice Ziad Rahman. It's our great privilege to welcome the Honorable Justice Mr. Dr. Kausar Idabak, a distinguished jurist and legal scholar. With his rich academic background and vast judicial experience, His Lordship has made significant contributions to the legal thoughts and jurisprudence. His scholarly approach to law and deep understanding of legal principles continue to guide and inspire the legal fraternity. I welcome dear Mr. Justice Dr. Kausar Idabagat. We extend a warm and respectful welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Basant Balaji, whose judicial career is marked by the integrity, discipline, and a strong commitment to the rule of law. His Lordship's contributions to the justice delivery system and his emphasis on fairness and procedural justice make his presence at this moot court valedictory function particularly meaningful for our students. I welcome dear Justice Basan Balaji. He is one of the former alumni of Mar Ivanios campus. Thank you, sir. We are honored to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice C. Jayachandran, an eminent judge known for his vast experience and dedication to upholding justice. His lordship's service to the judiciary and his insightful judgments have earned him immense respect among the bar and the bench alike. His presence today in Mar Gregorios College of Law greatly enriches this academic and professional gathering. I welcome dear Justice C. Jayachandran. Your Lordship's presence today adds immense dignity, inspiration, and value to this academic exercise. Your guidance and observations are invaluable to the young legal minds gathered here, and we are proudly grateful for your time and encouragement. I extend a heartfelt welcome to all the students participants who have come from various law colleges across India. Your enthusiasm, preparation, and advocacy skills have made this competition vibrant and intellectually stimulating. We truly appreciate your spirit of healthy competition and commitment to the ideals of the legal profession. I express my sincere and prayerful gratitude to you, and also I welcome dear students to the valedictory function. A warm welcome to all the faculty members, students, and non-teaching staff of Mar Gregorios College of Law, whose collective efforts have contributed to the successful conduct of this moot court competition. Dear friends, Mar Gregorios College of Law stands as a center of excellence in legal education, committed to nurturing competent, ethical, and socially responsible legal professionals. With a strong academic foundation, experienced faculty, and consistent outstanding performance in academics and co-curricular activities, the institution has earned its reputation for credibility and quality. Our NAC accreditation further affirms our dedication to maintaining high standards in teaching, learning, and institutional governance. Moot court activities form the backbone of experiential legal learning and thorough such platforms. We strive to bridge the gap between theory and practice, shaping confident advocates and responsible officers of the court. Once again, I extend cordial welcome to our honorable judges, esteemed guests, participating students from across the nation, and the members of Mar Gregorios College of Law family. We are truly delighted to have you all with us on this meaningful occasion. Thank you and very warm welcome to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your gracious words and continued guidance. A competition of this scale is the result of meticulous planning, dedication, and teamwork. I now invite Ms. Manya Eskurup, the President, and Ms. Gia Jose, the Vice President of the Moot Court Society, to present the report of the third edition of Mar Gregorios Moot Court Competition 2026.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed judges of the High Court of Kerala, faculty members, participants, and my dear friends. I, Manya Eskuru, President of Moot Court Society, Mar Gregorios College of Law,
and myself, Gia Jose, Vice President of the Moot Court Society.
we are hereby honored to present the report of third Mar Gregorios Moot Court competition conducted at our Mar Gregorios College of Law, Thiruvananthapuram from 22nd to 24 January 2026. Building upon the strong academic and organizational foundation laid by its previous edition, the third edition further strengthened the institution's commitment for promoting excellence in legal education, advocacy, and legal research at the national level. The official brochure of the competition was released on 13th October 2025. The Moot proposition was formulated by Professor Manoj Krishna A, Associate Professor and Faculty Coordinator of the Moot Court Society. The proposition addressed intricate issues relating to murder, abetment to suicide, integrating contemporary perspective of criminal law and constitutional jurisprudence, thereby offering participants a challenging and intellectually stimulating mooting experience. The competition witnessed widespread national participation with 42 teams across India from various law institutions initially registering for the competition, out of which 37 teams successfully submitted their memorials, reflecting the high level of academic engagement and interest generated by this competition. The last date for the submission of memorials was on 20 December 2025. The memorials were evaluated on 21st and 22nd December 2025 by Professor Dr. Jayashankar KI, Dean of Law, Central University of Kerala, and Professor Dr. Shyam Kumar, Professor, Government Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. Based on their evaluation, the top 16 teams with their memorials were selected and the results were published on 24th December 2025. The final registration of the qualified teams was completed by 31st December 2025. The offline rounds of the competitions were conducted in our college from 22nd to 24 January. The participating teams were accommodated at the Mark Gregorios Renewal Center, ensuring a comfortable and well-organized stay throughout the competition. The competition formally commenced on 22nd Jan with the inaugural ceremony graced by Sri P. Vijayan IPS, Additional Director General of Police Intelligence Kerala, whose extreme presence added immense prestige to the event. The inaugural session was followed by a briefing session for the participants conducted by Professor Manoj Krishna A, wherein the rules, procedures, format of the competition were clearly explained. Subsequently, the draw of lots conducted for the allocation of teams for the preliminary round 1 and 2 were conducted on the same day. Simultaneously, the researchers' interviews were conducted by Professor Dr. Jayashankar KI and Professor Dr. Shyam Kumar. The preliminary rounds 1 and 2 were conducted on 23rd January. Following the league come win method, 16 teams representing premier law institutions from across the country participating in the round, the following teams were selected. The following participating teams were Parallel University, Parallel Institute of Law, Symbiosis Law School Nagpur, Symbiosis Law School Pune, the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, School of Excellence in Law, Chennai Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Christ deemed to be University Bengaluru, Government Law College Thiruvananthapuram, Cochin University of Science and Technology, University College of Law Osmania University, KLE Law College Bengaluru Karnataka, the Kerala Law Academy Law College, Government Law College Tiruchirappalli, Chennai Dr. Ambedkar Government Law College Tiruvallur Tamil Nadu, Erode College of Law, Government Law College Thrissur, and Government Law College Kozhikode. All the participating teams demonstrated unwavering dedication, pouring their hearts and souls into the competition, exhibiting exceptional zeal and unrelenting passion, thereby elevating the entire event into new heights. With this, I conclude the first part of the report, and now I invite Ms. Gia Jose, Vice President of the Moot Court Society, to deliver the second part. Thank you.
Following 8 teams qualified for the quarter-finals round: Government Law College Kozhikode, Government Law College Thiruvananthapuram, KLE Law College Bengaluru Karnataka, Christ deemed to be University Bengaluru, Chennai Dr. Ambedkar Government Law College Tiruvallur Tamil Nadu, the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University School of Excellence in Law, Chennai Dr. Ambedkar Law College, the Kerala Law Academy Law College. Upon the conclusion of the quarter-final rounds, the following 4 teams were qualified for the semi-finals: Chennai Dr. Ambedkar Government Law College, Tamil Nadu; KLE Law College, Bengaluru, Karnataka; the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University School of Excellence in Law; Christ deemed to be University, Bengaluru. The semi-final and the final rounds were conducted on 24th January 2026, culminating in an highly competitive and intellectually rigorous final round. The Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University School of Excellence in Law and KLE Law College, Bengaluru, Karnataka, competed in the final rounds. Approximately 35 legal professionals, including academicians and practicing advocates, adjudicated the preliminary, quarterfinals, and semi-final rounds. The preliminary rounds were conducted with dual member benches, while the advanced rounds featured 3-member benches. For the first time in the history of Kerala, the final round was adjudicated by 4 eminent judges of the Honorable High Court of Kerala: Honorable Justice Mr. Justice Yad Rahman AA, Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Kausa Edapagat, Honorable Mr. Justice Basant Balaji, Honorable Mr. Justice C. Jayachandran, lending exceptional academic and professional stature to the competition. The resounding success of the competition is attributed to the visionary leadership and the institutional support provided by Director Reverend Father Adarsh Kumblat and Principal V. Ravachandran Nair, with the constant guidance of Vice Principal Srimati Usha Kumari Kechi and Head of Department Dr. Meera Matthew. A profound gratitude is extended to the faculty coordinators of the Moot Court Society, Professor Manoj Krishna A., Ms. Shazila Shahjahan, and Ms. Arya Rajan, who furnished indispensable support and expertise throughout the planning and execution phase, ensuring meticulous organization and seamless implementation of the competition. We are deeply grateful to our esteemed faculty coordinators who attributed immeasurably, going above and beyond in their respective committees with relentless dedication and hard work, thereby elevating every aspect of their event. A special acknowledgement is on to our dedicated student coordinators who worked tirelessly, investing their time and effort selflessly for the benefit of the college and whose enthusiasm fueled the spirit of the competition. Heartfelt thanks are given to our devoted volunteers whose extensive support was pivotal. Though it is challenging to enumerate every contribution, each volunteer exceeded expectations in numerous ways, perceiving through personal challenges, be in fatigue, mental or physical strain, but you did not allow any obstacle to hinder the event's activities. Sincere appreciation is also extended to every non-teaching staffs and to each individual who participated at every stage of the event, whose collective efforts were instrumental in achieving the competition's outstanding success. The institution celebrates the collaborative excellence and dedication of all, recognizing the synergy of leadership, faculty, student volunteers collectively transformed the third edition of the Mar Gregorios Moot Court competition into a landmark achievement. Thank you all for being the part of this journey and for making this competition a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, Manya and Jia, for that comprehensive overview. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to invite the distinguished jurist who has graciously consented to deliver the valedictory address. We are deeply honored to have with us Honorable Mr. Justice Ziad Rahman AA, Judge, High Court of Kerala. I respectfully invite your Lordship to deliver the valedictory address.
My dear brother judges, other dignitaries, students, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I express my sincere gratitude to the organizers of this function to offer this opportunity to me. what I witnessed today was a wonderful and amazing event. In fact, after going through the mood proposition, I had my own apprehension about the way the students could manage this issue. But I should apologize after watching the performance of the participants, all the participants. I was completely surprised because you have come up with valid solutions. Valid contentions have been raised by relying upon the constitutional principles behind it and also placing the apt decisions for it. All the participants have presented their case after meticulously studying and beautifully. Now, in fact, before we reached, while we were traveling to Trivandrum, we had a mutual discussion about the issue involved in it. And we had a academic discussion at great length. Several questions came up. I never expected that those questions would be raised from your side. But I am extremely happy that almost 99% of the issues we discussed were taken up by the participant. It is something great. And yet another aspect is a capacity of a lawyer has to be measured from the response he makes to the question put. That was amazing. Now, all the questions, the explanation was that the satisfaction we got while accepting that explanation was beyond any comparison. In fact, I wish to tell you something. In fact, even though we had a discussion, because as far as Justice Kausar Adapagat and Justice Jayendran are concerned, they are coming from the district judiciary with rich experience in conducting sessions trial and in the deciding sessions cases and having a great thorough knowledge in the criminal law. But I am not that much exposed to that criminal law. Even then, they had so much to contribute while making the suggestions. But there was one question, one explanation, even despite repeated discussions we had, for one particular question, there was no explanation for us. In fact, we could not offer any explanation for that particular question. But we got the answer during this program. I wish to congratulate the second speaker of the second team, because that was the exact question, exact explanation we never expected. Keep it up. That was something great. So after seeing all this, the impression I am getting from the performance of you people is that it is not confined to that you have a bright future, but the legal profession is having a bright future through you people. So that is a great. So in fact, as far as the other issues are concerned, I have a handicap today. In fact, I have spent so much time on preparing a speech, giving lecture as to how to present a case before the court. Now I'll have to throw it out. The way you presented was equal to the professional lawyers were presenting the case. Of course, some fine-tuning is required. So, in a way, you are guilty of wasting the judicial time of a judge. I spent this much of time for the purpose of preparing a lecture, now that has become completely not usable. So, but I am happy with that. So, I don't want to give a long lecture. I think it's the experience I got was very fantastic, and I wish you all success and keep it up. Keep it up. Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Lordship, for that encouraging words. As a mark of our deep respect and gratitude, we shall now proceed with the presentation of mementos to our esteemed judges. I request Professor V. Ramachandran Nair, Vice Principal, to kindly present the mementos. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Ziad Rahman AA to kindly accept this token of gratitude from our side. Next, I humbly request Honorable Justice Dr. Kausar Edapagat to kindly accept this token of gratitude from our side. Thank you so much, my lords. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Professor Usha Kumari KG, Vice Principal, to kindly present the mementos. I request Honorable Mr. Justice Basant Balaji to kindly accept the mementos from our side. Thank you, my lord. Next, I request Honorable Mr. Justice C. Jayachandran to kindly accept the memento from our side. Much obliged, your lordships. Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite Honorable Justice Dr. Kausar Edapakat to kindly address the gathering. Sir.
Thank you. Good evening to all. Normally at the Supreme Court, the benches consist of 2 or 3, and when it is rarely it is one bench judge. And if it is a case of full court, I mean constitutional bench, it is 5, 7, 9, and it has reached even up to 13 in the historical Kesavananda Bharathi's case. But I think never in the history has been a judge consisting of 4 judges at the Supreme Court. And you finalists had the rare opportunity to argue before an unconventional 4 judges bench. And you students had the rare opportunity to witness such a bench. And we had a rare opportunity to be part of, rare privilege to be part of such a bench, thanks to the management. I must congratulate the management for the great arrangements made over here and the fabulous hospitality extended, and above all the warmth of the students. I have always felt that I have been part of moot court competition as a judge and in various other capacities for the past so many years. I've always felt in all colleges they are conducting moot court competition at the level of the Supreme Court. So why can't there be a competition selecting a case that comes from the ordinary district court, civil court, a municipal court, a criminal court, an issue that is ordinarily handled by an ordinary people? Why can't be such a, then you need not invite 4 judges for that purpose. Only 1 judge would be enough, because the subordinate courts is manned by only 1 judge. Okay, it's a matter of great pride to be part of this program, this moot court competition. I congratulate all the participants. It was, see, mooting is not an easy exercise. It requires very hardworking, dedication, tenacity, and determination, etc. And your performance today truly reflected all these components. It was a tremendous display of mooting that went, in fact, neck to neck. And we had difficulty to, in fact, to select who is the best orator is. And the moot proposition, as Brother Justice Yad said, it was not an easy thing. And congratulations, I congratulate you for grasping such a tough proposition and enduring that proposition into a multi-dimensional approach. It's great. And we also enjoyed this intellectually stimulating experience. Many teams participated, two entered the finals. One would lift the trophy soon. What is important is it was a tremendous learning experience for all of you. And as said by Brother Justice Ziyad, after watching your performance, I feel that future of Indian judiciary in safe hands. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord. I now invite Honorable Mr. Justice Basant Balaji to kindly address the gathering.
A warm good evening to everyone. Let me first have my gratitude to Manoj Krishnan sir and Ramachandran sir, who were my teachers in Law Academy, for giving me this opportunity to be in the panel. Second thing is, as the director has said, it is a homecoming for me. I entered this campus in 1988 as just like a student like you for my pre-degree course. After 37 years, I'm coming back to this same campus where I see a lot of institutions here. At that time, it was only Marivanis College. I think it's Marivanis College, then Sarvodaya Vidyalaya, and one teachers training college. We usually, on a lighter side, we usually say, bring your child, put him in KG, and take him out as a professional from Marivanis College institutions. That has happened now. Congratulate the management for having such a wonderful campus, wonderful institutions, very bright students. And keep it, one more thing. You are an excellent batch of students who are capable of becoming the next generation lawyers. But the reality is, once you pass out as students of law, graduate, then around 60% of the students doesn't go for practice. They change their way for some reason. I would say, taste the litigation experience first, then decide whether to continue or not. Because the experience you gain from these moot competitions will enrich your knowledge and the way you present the case before a judge, either in the lower court or in the high court. What we could say is, an excellent lawyer or lawyers were arguing before us. That is a 4-bench judges of the High Court of Kerala. It was a very good experience for you to correct the mistakes which you have made today. Don't feel that somebody has lost or somebody has won. It is not winning or losing. It is keeping this tempo forward and becoming lawyers of next generation. I wish everyone a very grand success in your future life and your career as lawyers or judges like us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my lord. Now I invite Honorable Mr. Justice C. Jayachandran to kindly address the gathering.
Dignitaries on and off the dais. May I start with asking you what is the essence of life? To me, I would say uncertainty at its core is the essence of life. And the essence and the beauty of law is also the same. uncertainty. There is nothing called a mathematical precision so far as law and legal issues are concerned. I say this prelude only to tell you that all and whatever submissions which you have made, all and whatever points you have mooted before us are all correct, because we don't have a precise and absolute right and absolute wrong in law. So your mooting propositions all were right. This is an issue which has not been settled so far. So great, opportunity and occasion for us to think of the ramifications of an issue which will arise in future before us or somebody else. At any rate, we may have to go through that ramifications, and we could march a bit ahead of time because of this particular moot and this particular problem which has been mooted by Manoj Krishnan sir, who was my teacher. Thanks to Manoj Krishnan sir and Ramachandran sir for giving me and Basant, Justice Basant, my brother Justice Basant, an opportunity to be back here. One thing I wanted to tell you, the students, that please keep on thinking on the concepts of law and the things on the problems and also on the facts which you have, because it is not the knowledge of facts, but your thoughts that are important. One quote from Albert Einstein: education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Wishing you good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. One humble submission from my side for what Honorable Mr. Justice Kausar has said. So you said that there was no need for such 4 judges from high courts to be here. Why can't we conduct just one small trial? So we have been taught that wherever the judges sit, that is the court. So for first time being, our moot court society was the Honorable High Court of Kerala, with your blessings of your presence, your lordships. Thank you very much for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now proceed with the distribution of participation certificates, recognizing the efforts and commitments of teams who have actively participated in the competition. First, we shall invite the teams who participated in the preliminary rounds. I request Honorable Mr. Justice C. Jayachandran to kindly present the participation certificates. First, Parul Institute of Law. Next, Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur. Thirdly, Symbiosis Law School, Pune. Fourth, Cochin University of Science and Technology. Fifth, University College of Law, Osmania University. Next, I call upon Government Law College, Trichy. And finally, Government Law College, Thrissur. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, sir. We now invite the teams who participated in the quarter-final rounds. I request Honorable Mr. Justice Basant Balaji to kindly present the participation certificates. First, Chennai Dr. Ambedkar Law College, Pudupakam. Second, Government Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. Thirdly, I call upon the Kerala Law Academy Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. And finally, Government Law College, Kozhikode. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, participants. Finally, I invite the teams who participated in the semi-final rounds. I request Honorable Justice Dr. Kausar Edapagat to kindly present the participation certificates. First, Christ deemed to be University, Bengaluru. And secondly, Chennai Dr. Ambedkar Government Law College, Tamil Nadu, Tiruvallur, Tamil Nadu. Thank you, my lord. Now I request Honorable Mr. Justice Ziad Rahman AA to kindly present a memento to our Professor Manoj Krishna, sir. Sir, your constant support to the Moot Court Society. You have drafted the moot problem and all the supports for you have given, sir. And we expect your continued support to Mar Gregorios College of Law. Thank you, my lord. Thank you so much, sir. The moment everyone has been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. I now invite Ms. Aishwarya MU, Assistant Professor and Faculty Coordinator of Mar Gregorios College of Law, to announce the results of the competition.
Honorable judges on the dais, respected director, principal, vice principal, esteemed faculty members, dear students, and all participants. Good evening to one and all present here. At the outset, on behalf of Mar Gregorios College of Law and the organizing committee, I extend our sincere gratitude to the honorable judges for their gracious presence and valuable guidance. I, Now I have the honor of announcing the results of this moot court competition. To begin with, individual awards, that is the Best Researcher Award, the Best Student Advocate Award Female, and the Best Student Advocate Award Male. I respectfully invite Honorable Mr. Justice C. Jayachandran to do the honor of presenting the same. The Best Researcher Award goes to Sohan K.S., Government Law College, Kozhikode. Congratulations. This award is accompanied by a trophy and a cash prize and recognizes exceptional legal research, depth of analysis, and effective use of authorities. We now proceed to present the Best Student Advocate Award Female, and the award goes to Adina Sunny from Government Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. Congratulations. This award is accompanied by and recognizes exemplary art, confidence, and sound legal reasoning. Next, we move to the Best Student Advocate Award Male, and this award goes to Aditya Amradeshwar from Christ Deemed to be University, Bangalore. A trophy and a cash prize accompany this award and recognizes outstanding advocacy skills, clarity of arguments, and courtroom presence. Congratulations. Thank you, Your Lordship. We shall now move on to the team awards. May I respectfully invite Honorable Mr. Justice Basan Balaji to present the Best Memorial Award of the third edition of Mar Gregorios Moot Court competition. The Best Memorial Award goes to MD MCC 08. The Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University School of Excellence in Law, represented by Afia Parveen, Madhumita, and Amrita V. Thank you, Your Lordship. Continuing with the team awards, may I respectfully invite Mr. Justice Siad Rahman A to present the winning team award of the third edition of Mar Gregorios Moot Court competition. I know everyone is eagerly waiting for this moment. And the winners are K.L.E. Law College, Bangalore, Karnataka. The team comprises of Nilesh Nandan, Sania Amol, and Vikram Gas. This award recognizes outstanding performance, teamwork, and advocacy skills. The winning team will be awarded with individual trophies to each member, along with a team trophy and a cash prize. And the winning team will also receive a 1-year complimentary subscription to the SEC online web edition. Thank you, Your Lordship. Finally, may I respectfully invite Honorable Justice Dr. Kausar Edapagat to present the runner-up team award of the third edition of Mar Gregorios Moot Court competition. And the runners-up are MG MCC 08, the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University School of Excellence in Law, comprising of Afia Parveen, Madhumita, and Amrita. Congratulations to all the winners. And this award is given in recognition of the team's commendable performance and consistent advocacy throughout the competition. The runners are awarded with individual trophies along with a cash prize. Thank you, Your Lordship. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Your Lordships. Congratulations to all the winners, participants. As we draw this valedictory program to a close, it is time to express our gratitude. I now invite Ms. Shazila Shahjahan, Assistant Professor and Faculty Coordinator of the Moot Court Society, Mar Gregorios College of Law, to deliver the vote of thanks.
It is the spirit and not the form of law that keeps justice alive. Words of Justice Earl Warrens. Good evening to all. Honorable judges on the dais, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty members, participants, and students. As we come to the end of third edition of Mar Gregorios Moot Court competition, it is indeed my honor to propose vote of thanks. We are profoundly grateful to Honorable Judges of High Court of Kerala, Honorable Mr. Justice Siad Rahman AA, Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Kausar Edapakat, Honorable Mr. Justice Basant Balaji, and Honorable Mr. Justice C. Jayachandran for sparing their precious time, sharing their rich judicial wisdom, and inspiring our young budding advocates with their insightful observation and encouragement. Lordship's presence has truly elevated the academic and professional value of this competition. At the very outset, I extend our deepest sense of gratitude to our esteemed judges who have honored this competition with their august presence and invaluable guidance. Thank you, judges. I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our patron and manager, His Beatitude more and more Basilius Cardinal Clemus Catholicos, for extending all the support for hosting this event. Now, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our beloved director, Reverend Father Adarsh Kumbalat, for his words of encouragement, his able guidance, which has always encouraged us. We are grateful for his kindness, interest, hospitality, and continued support to this competition. Thank you, Father. Now, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our beloved principal, Professor Ramachandran Nair, whose leadership and vision has always guided us in organizing academic events of excellence. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our beloved Vice Principal, Professor Usha Kumari KG, for her support and constant guidance to make this event a successful one. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our head of the department, Dr. Meera Matthew, for her constant support and guidance. Now, I extend our deepest gratitude to our professor, Mr. Manoj Krishna, Faculty Coordinator, Moot Court Society of Mar Gregorios College of Law. From drafting the moot proposition to the smooth organization of this competition, Sir's efforts as well as the passion towards law and mentoring our students of MCS is always commendable. Thank you so much, sir. My sincere thanks to the organizing committee, faculty coordinators, Ms. Ria Susan George, Ms. Aishwarya MU, Ms. Apaya BK, Ms. Arya Rajan, and all other faculty coordinators who tirelessly work behind the different committees to make this event a successful one. Thank you, all the faculty coordinators. And a special word of appreciation, it goes to all the participating teams who conducted in these moot court competitions across India. And participants, your enthusiasm, participation, advocacy skills that has brought life as well as competitive spirit to this mooting competition that is conducted in our college. Thank you, participants. I also acknowledge with gratitude the invaluable support that is rendered by our administrative staff, non-teaching staff, technical team, media partners who work behind the scenes. Their efforts were crucial to make this event a success. Thank you, everyone. Finally, last but not the least, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the MCS Core Committee, presided by President Manya S. Kurup, Vice President Gia Jose, and all other MCS Core members, members of Moot Court Society, student volunteers of MGCL. Their meticulous planning, their tireless efforts, dedication, teamwork made this event a success. So, your commitment truly reflects the spirit as well as legacy of our institution. Thank you, everyone, for you are with us for all the previous 3 days, and we are aspiring for the continuous support to our MCS in future also. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Honorable Justice Dr. Kausar has to make a note. Sir, please.
We have an internship program for students at Kerala High Court. It is conducted by Kerala Legal Service Authority. It is called Nyaya Praveshika. I am the chairman of that particular program. It's a 21 days program. We conduct it twice a year. We had one program in December and June, depends on your vacation. It's a very good program. You'll have exposure to court proceedings, and we have included work shadowing with judges, work shadowing with advocates, and exposure to alternative dispute resolution mechanism. You will be posted mediation center, Lok Adalat, victim rights center, and you will be sent to visit jail, mental hospitals, police stations, and legal aid clinics. It's a very well-structured program. Those who are interested, please apply. It's very good. And you can visit our website, Kerala Legal Service Authority website. You'll get all the details. Make use of it, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my lord, for that warm invitation. May I now request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल दलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
This concludes the valedictory ceremony of the third edition of Mar Gregorios Moot Court Competition 2026. Thank you all for your gracious presence and participation. See you soon. I request everyone to leave the judges with a huge round of applause.